Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create product categories in Odoo. So creating product categories in this platform helps organize your store, improve navigation, and make products easier for customers to find. So actually guys, first you will need just to go to the website model right here, and then just go with the e-commerce that you can find at the top bar, so this one, and then go and click on the products. Okay, so you will find an option inside there, it says product categories, or just go directly from here. So the categories as the second option under the products section, right? So here guys, and depending on your Odoo version, the menu location may vary slightly. So actually, to create a new category, you will need just to go with a new. Okay, so right at the top left corner. So this is the menu where you can actually create a category. So you'll need to add a parent category. Okay, so you can create subcategories for better organizations, for example clothes for men, women, and shoes, and you can use the parent category field to build this structure. Okay, so actually you can go with men and then go with add products, right? And the category, let's say that it's has, okay, and it's for the men, so that's products for that category, all right? And now we only just to add an image or a category image. So some Odoo themes allow category thumbnails, so you can just go right here at the top right corner of that menu and then just go with edit and choose a picture from your desktop, right? So you can upload a banner, a representative image, an icon, so this improves shop appearance and navigation. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.